That's a scary one. I think we got like an hour and 20-minute drive home. If I didn't have a duck, could I do this? You got it. Holy shit.
Wow, that draft's going to town, huh?
Oh, that's landing. He's definitely. That's pretty loud. Plain Simple. How's it going, guys? This video actually wasn't even supposed to be getting made till 2 or 3 days down the road, but we're going to pick up what some would call a JDM legend. We're leaving in about an hour, and you guys will see it when we get there. Very nice.
As you all know, you like dirt bikes. We went out the other night at like
3 in the morning, maybe?
4, yeah, 3, 4 in the morning. A little night ride, and well, she kind of blew up.
He didn't take anything apart. This is how it returned home.
Yeah, I brought it. He disintegrated the top end completely off the bike.
It's a blown top end.
Top end. We're gonna put it back together, and if you want it, let me know. 2K.
Who's talking?
Cheap, honestly. You can't get a frame cheaper than that.
Went and picked this thing up the other day in New Hampshire. Not too bad, not too bad.
Slap plate on it with wrap. Yeah, that was the old -6. No longer with us, but this thing was a bumblebee beauty.
You ready? You ready? You ready? 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 Ready?
It's
Ready?
official! We're off to go get the Let's go! 6-turn Pike Road. We're at a stoplight, don't worry. We are an hour and 20 minutes away, 57 miles from greatness.
Where's the car? Car's on here either.
No, no, it's right there.
Oh. Well, then I'm not gonna put that here. I'm gonna back this up a little bit, guy. Leave this right here. Let's get out and mingle. Look what he's got hiding in the garage. It's actually not his, it's his roommate's. His roommate's actually selling it to us right now because the guy we're buying it from's at work. But check it out. This is her. But yeah, come check this part out though. This is a T-top, it's mid-engine with a turbo, and it's right-hand drive. It's got an LSV from factory as well. Mid-engine.
I just asked if it would be fucking shit. This thing's fire. I want this. I want it. I want it. Like flicker.
Yeah. High beam works. Alright, car's bought. Time to drive her home. Wrong side though.
Look how ugly the wheel is, bro. I hate that. We're putting the drift wheel from the E36 on this right away. We put the address into home. And I think we got like an hour and 20-minute drive home. Hour 10. Not bad. Okay, we're off. We gotta wait till she warms up.
Yo.
We're back, baby. I haven't been in a Jap car in like 2 years. Bro, like who makes it feel like this, bro? Why would they do that? Look at it, it's like centered off to the bottom and
I know, like why?
big and goofy on top. Oh yeah, nah, this does feel weird. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot what this was like. Nice. Nice. But I'm a lefty for those of you that don't know, so this kind of works out nice. Yeah. But downshifts to second gear are always weird. Still missed. You know? Fine, get on again.
I didn't know that it made all these crazy noises.
Bro, that's what I told you. They don't sound like any cars you can get on the market around here. Like even my 180, bro. I forgot the aux wire. Could have been bumping, but whatever. We need to listen to the little Japanese Nagasaki drift missile.
Factory turbo gauge works.
Yeah, baby. Woo, baby. This thing takes forever to warm up, or that gauge is broken.
No, it's working. It's just, it's getting there.
We're definitely chopping that muffler off, like within the next couple days. The friggin' muffler is the size of one on like an F80.
Yeah, you shootcase mufflers.
Yeah.
Wheels and tires, huh?
Stay asleep.
So, we bought the MR2 2 days ago, actually. We kind of skipped a couple days. We were kind of busy running around doing some stuff. So, a lot's happened. First of all, I got a haircut, if you haven't noticed already. We actually took the muffler, the suitcase muffler, off the MR2, gave it a little more noise. I wouldn't say flames, but it makes some big pop. We actually just went to Spencer, Massachusetts, and we just bought some wheels for it, and we paid $100 for them. Sanding them down, painting them right now, and we're gonna slap them on, and hopefully they look crispy. But yeah, we kind of missed out on a lot in the past few days. Oh yeah, actually the GTI got sold today. Bye-bye GTI. Yeah. Shout out our boy Tim, he picked it up. Good little first whip for you. Landon blew up his 125 actually. That thing's not here anymore because it's off getting rebuilt somewhere.
So yeah, as you can see, we got our first layer of primer on.
Even the huge muffler that was on this thing. Oh, I can't even do it. The thing is, we might actually have to put that back on because where the muffler came off, comes out of one pipe, but we unscrewed the hangers off either side because they're screw offs, and then we thought that'd be a good idea, but now the exhaust is kind of flapping, so we need to either get pipes welded on, we need to put that back on. So we've sanded 2 wheels, 2 out of the 4 wheels, and we got the first 2 layers of primer on, and just look at the before and after already. Not even done yet. I haven't even painted them. By the way, they are going white. Yeah, look at the difference already. We haven't even done nothing. Turned them into $1,000 set of rims. Oh, I almost said rims. $1,000 set of wheels. Well, I almost got myself. I think we mentioned that in the last video.
We did. We definitely did.
It is wheel.
It's wheel.
At the end of the day, if you say rim and consider yourself a car person,
you're an idiot.
Damn, that's a neck.
This is how we got them, obviously. Dirt in the crevices. This center cap's all gross. Now, nice prime wheel. Obviously going white, but
yeah, we still gotta sand these ones. That honestly was the worst part about it, was sanding them. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to come back and do the other 2 in a couple minutes once this place airs out a little bit. I'm already about to pass out paint fumes. Alright, so now we're actually going to do our first layer of paint.
no, we're not, because we got to shut the music off first, because we can't get copyrighted.
And, okay, that's better. Primer's done for all 4 wheels, so now we're actually going to do our first layer of paint.
Yep, it's white. I think these wheels are going to come out mint once they're done. MR2 is going to get a nice upgrade.
Alright, the first 2 wheels out of the set are done, and if you ask me, they're not looking too bad for our first time.
Alright, I think they're looking pretty mint.
Not too shabby. The white's a little...
It's a little more matte than we thought it was going to be.
Yeah, that's the word I was thinking of, matte. The white's a little matte. And we ruined my garage floor a little bit. We are going to go take the MR2 for a ride and piss my neighbors off a little bit because it is exactly almost midnight, and this thing's basically straight piped. So we can't get an outside view because my neighbor's house is right there and it's loud, but we're gonna get a cold start from the inside. And what's kind of cool is you can start this car without the clutch in. Oh. Alright. I guess the cold starts aren't that bad.
I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of weird being on the left side of the car.
And not driving.
And not driving, yeah.
It's like satisfying in a way though. But we'll do some pulls when it actually gets warmed up. We're having an issue finding the rear tires. We found the front ones, but the rear tires, for whatever reason, there's none for sale, so we might have to go to town for a tire, something stupid, unfortunately. But hopefully we get tires on tomorrow and get the wheels mounted tomorrow, because that would be nice. But we still have 2 wheels to paint. But yeah, time to give her a little pull. I told you it booms! Yeah, let's roll the windows up for a second.
Yeah.
We raced this against the MK4 last night. Trevor driving the MK4, me driving this, and we were kind of surprised. Everyone in the group honestly thought that the MK4 was going to beat this, and then we'll put the video in there, but this thing's a lot faster than you think. on the MK4 sadly, which I had faith in it, but this thing's just honestly quick. Well, apparently it said that, I looked it up, that a 91 MR2 turbo will go 150 miles an hour. If you see on the dash, it only goes to 180 kilometers, which is roughly 115 miles per hour. So if this was to do 150, it'd probably have to spin all the way back around, which I haven't tried and I've probably not done it, but I'm kind of curious. It said 160 if you're really pushing it. That still seems a little too much. Oh yeah, wait, you probably can hear it now that the windows are down. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, we did try to drift this thing. It has an LSD, but I think it's just the mid-engine and it has tires up front, no weight up front. It just was not gripping. And then when it did drift, it just went.
No, I think it's just tape.
Yeah,
all right. It's a new day now, and we're gonna get started on those other wheels. We're gonna get those painted, and then hopefully we're gonna get tires for these. Then we can do a little test fit. But these tires are actually the exact tires that we need.
Front and back are the same, but we can't find them anywhere. I guess they're a hard tire to get your hands on. Hard tire size, I should say.
But I think it's gonna look good with the white wheels, to be honest.
It's gonna look good.
I wish they'd stick out here. Oh no, we'll see when they get on them.
Honestly, maybe we can get like 5 mil or 10 mil spacers.
Bro, this thing needs a wash. It's so gross.
I know.
We haven't even washed it yet.
We haven't even washed it since we've had it, and yeah, look. Fingerprints everywhere.
It's shooting the monster booms and just non-stop.
Really?
No, like literally non-stop. The whole hair is boom, 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 boom. It just keeps doing it and doing it and doing it. Oh, and I noticed this. Look at. Oh,
Oh,
yo,
come on, that just went in there.
That just, I'm not getting in this thing till I see that.
Oh, it's on the sun visor.
What the Yo, what is that? Look how big that thing is. I wish we had one of those salt guns, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Insect salt guns.
I know.
Well, might as well light this thing on fire now.
I know, like yeah. You can have that car actually.
Yep.
Yep. That's all you
I'll
know.
leave the key in it for you. Oh wait, it's already in there, man.
Oh, it's already in there? Beautiful. Take it. It's all yours now. Oh wait, but how are we gonna check to see if it's leaving? Or if it leaves or not? We paid good money for that car.
You know, yeah, you know what? I'm not getting carjacked like that. Come here. But I'm still not going near this thing yet.
No, it's still there.
Bro.
I don't know where it went.
It did?
I don't, it's not on. Oh my God.
I'm all right with that.
Yeah, I know, I'm good. Holy shit.
We look like girls right now.
I know.
Little kids. We should have asked them to do it. They probably would have had no problem.
I know, they would have caught it.
Throw it.
If I had no neck, at least I have a neck. Let me see it.
Let me see it. Stop singing. If I didn't have a neck, could I do this? You got it.
Like what?
Where's the pizza?
Some tomatoes?
Nah, I was talking about this.
Alright, so these ones have 5 coats on them. These ones are all done. And we're gonna do a little bit of touch up on the other ones.
So since we're painting the inner barrels black, we had to make custom templates to put there so we don't get black paint on the front of the wheel. We got the templates going. Trevor's going to work. But look at that. Yeah, nice. You'd think we were professional, huh? So, from the looks of it, the template sits in there pretty good. But see this lip right here? We need this lip to be somewhat exposed when we paint it because that's where the line is. So now we gotta get tape all around this edge and get the painted.
We keep running out of, wait, why is this so? Keep running out of daylight, so this is day 3 of the multiple part process of painting these wheels. But we got this one done yesterday and Kai just finished this one today. So this one's drying up now, and we got the third one up, and we got the template in, and we got the front all taped up too. Now we're ready to wrap it in the garbage bag and start painting.
Alright, you wanna listen? I'm gonna drape this underneath.
Alright, trash bag is officially on the face of the wheel. And actually I think that might be one of the best jobs we've ever done messing that up. Like that one actually came out kind of mint. Alright, so get the first layer of black paint on there. Coming out pretty mint. It's honestly getting a pretty even coating all the way around. It's kind of hard to spray paint the barrel of a wheel We're slowly learning that. There's just really no easy way of doing it.
Yet again, it's another day. We don't want to have this video go on too long, so we're gonna make a part 2 out of this. We're gonna hopefully get the tires on the wheels, then get the wheels on the car, and then get some pictures and videos of the car all said and done. But until that is done, we will catch you guys next video, so thank you for watching. See you later.